Okay, so we are talking about nouns. Now, nouns is one of the most basic parts of English. They are the first words that native English speakers learn. We have persons or person. We have places. And we have things. These are the properties of a noun. So you'll hear people say it's a noun person, place, or thing. Also included in that, you have things like animals and ideas. But that's a little harder to remember, so we just say person, place, or thing. Okay, let's make a list. Let's think dad, mom, baby, police, grandpa, teacher, and then like I was saying, they include animals as well. Things like giraffe, tiger, lion, these all fall under this concept. Now, when I say persons, remember that is bad English. We say people, and then person is singular. But this is one of the ways in America that we remember what nouns are. Okay, let's talk about places. So I'll just add an S there. What are some noun places? We think of maybe a house or a country. But in truth, a noun place can be almost anything. A place can be really big, or a place can be really small. So you can even say the earth. The earth is a place. You can say your bedroom is a place, or the cupboard, or the bathroom. Even you can say your bed. That's a place. Where are you? I am on my bed. And these are some examples of noun places. Okay, lastly, we are going to do things. Now, a thing is exactly what you would think. Anything that you see around you is a thing. So just take a look around the room and then start saying them. For me, I see books. So I can write book, chair, table. Okay, and you can go on and on. It's not just things like that. It can be anything. That's why they say thing. It can be apple, window, oh, floor, couch, plates, shirt, pants, shoes, TV, scissors, pencil, pen, lamp. Just about anything is a thing. Okay, so when it comes to nouns, one of the most important things about nouns is they are the subject. It's not a very good U. And the object of a sentence. Now the subject is usually at the beginning and the object is at the end. So let's do an example. Let's think of some of those nouns we just listed. And we'll start with a subject that is a person. So we'll say the police. Okay, and let's underline that so we remember it. The police are going to the bank. Okay, so here we have a very simple sentence, and we have a subject and an object. So police is our subject, bank is our object. And this is what makes up a full sentence. Every sentence that I know that is a good sentence has a subject and an object, just like here. Okay, so let's try to think of another example. Let's say John, so we'll use someone's name because that is a noun person. John is going swimming. Okay, and this sentence is a little trickier. So we have John is the subject, but someone who's not familiar with English will think, wow, this is a verb, and this is a verb. Even is a to be verb. So is this a full sentence? Can you have one subject, and then a verb, and then end with a period? Well, this is kind of tricky. The English language always tricks you like this. So right now, swimming is being used as a noun. That's what they're going to do. It's not what they're doing. It's used as kind of a noun object. So John is going swimming. So you can see here that there is a subject and there is an object. So if I put a period over here, is that alright? Is that a full sentence? Well, yes. Yes, that is a full sentence. So let's make this a compound sentence. Let's make it a little longer. So we're just going to put a comma and let's use and. Nice basic conjunction. So John is going swimming and he will eat some ice cream. Okay, I think ice cream is 2 words. Okay, period. So let's identify the subjects and objects. So we already know that John's a subject, and we know that swimming was used as the object, and let's put a line here. Okay, so this is our first sentence right here, okay? Now we are going to work on our second sentence, okay? Because it's a compound sentence. We have our subject, he, okay, and he will eat some ice cream. What is the object? The object is ice cream. Okay, so here we have a subject, an object, and here we have a subject and an object. And that is how you know you've written a good compound sentence. Each side of the conjunction, so on the left side you have this sentence, on the right side you have this sentence. On each side you have a subject and an object. These are also called independent clauses. Now don't worry about remembering that. Later on we'll be going more in depth into what an independent clause and a dependent clause is. Okay, so I hope that has made it very clear what a noun is. A noun is a person, place, or thing. And these nouns are very important when you are writing a full sentence. For each sentence needs a subject, and each sentence needs an object. Okay? Good luck!
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. You can also like this video for more content like this. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!